Hi there, let's talk about robots and how to trade them. It's no more than a life hack, how to make easy money rather than strategy, but it requires good sense and understanding of order book and please do not exceed your leverage. Use from low to medium leverages. By the way, you can figure out about robots even more in free scalping course from the CSCALP. The link you will find in the description. It's not so hard to find robot if your order book is set up properly. Usually it's automatic movement of huge limit orders after the price. In fact, this very limit order pushes the price automatically, replacing higher and higher. It's impossible to do it manually. That's why it's a robot. But be sure this limit order to be huge enough to affect the price. So let's watch the example. In this case, Hook USDT instrument demonstrates the presence of such robot. Limit order is huge enough that price reacts on it, and it has been working for about 2 hours, giving opportunity to earn on it. The most important rules: hold the position as soon as it works and close the trade when it disappears, as many participants will close trades as well, creating the dump movement, as you see. Replace your stop loss in safe zone when it's possible to protect your position against sharp correction when it stops working. On this example, you see the dumping power of price when it stops working, and it's quite dangerous. And please use only minimum or medium volumes in your trades. After some time, this robot lacked power because his capital was utilized. It began working with less efficiency. Anyway, as you see, 33,000 contracts were enough to make price go higher. Anyway, I was quite accurate and I didn't exceed my working volume. I placed many limit orders to fix my position and stop loss was in a break-even point. If you trade robots, please always follow these instructions. For 2 hours, I managed to earn almost $480. I hope it was clear and useful. Video was prepared by the CSCALP trading terminal team. Thank you.